Hello, Python learners. Welcome to today's tutorial, where we will unravel the power of input and output functions in Python. These functions are essential for creating interactive and dynamic programs. Whether you're a beginner or looking to deepen your Python skills, understanding input and output is crucial. Let's dive in. Input functions allow your program to receive data from the user during runtime. The primary function for this is input. It's like a conversation between the program and the user. You can use input to prompt the user for information. For example, name equals input, enter your name. This captures user input and stores it in the variable name. When using input, remember that it treats everything as a string. So, if you want to work with numbers, you may need to convert the input to the desired data type. For instance, age equals int, input, enter your age. Here, we convert the user's input to an integer using the int function. Now, let's shift our focus to output functions, primarily the trusty print function. This function allows your program to display information to the user. Simplest use case, print, hello, Python. It outputs the specified text to the console. But, print can do much more. Formatting output makes your programs more readable and user-friendly. Python offers various ways to format output using the print function. You can use placeholders, f-strings, or the format method to achieve this. For example, print f-hello, name. In many programs, you'd want to display results to the user. Print is your go-to tool for this. It's not just for text, you can output variables, calculations, and more. For instance, result is equal to 42 times 7 followed by print, the result is, result. This keeps your users informed and engaged. Before we conclude, let's go over some best practices when using input and output functions. 1. Prompt clarity, make your input prompts clear and informative. 2. Error handling, consider adding error handling for unexpected inputs. 3. Readable output, format your output for readability and user-friendliness. Congratulations! You've now mastered input and output functions in Python. These functions are the backbone of interactive programming. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Coder Squad. Happy coding!